Educators and parents and students are able to use ClassDojo. As you saw at the beginning of the video, you're able to set up your account for free. As an educator, I use ClassStory as well as messages. For ClassStory, you're able to post videos, pictures, files, record videos, or post an event. You would jot down the title of your event and the dates, as well as the hours. Since this is summer break, I will post and check all day. It's not necessary to do the times as you see me do here. And then a brief description of the event. And I will add sunglasses to my graphic, an emoji with sunglasses to go with the theme of summer. Once you post this, you are given the option to post reminders immediately, 5 days before. I usually check all the boxes so that the reminders continue to be given to parents. And you press create, and your event has been created, and parents all receive this on their phones. And you can see there, summer break, June 15th to August 9th. And you would be able to see comments parents may post. You're also able to see which parents have seen your event. Again, I use ClassStory the most, and then messages. This is messages. You can message the entire class at one time, or you can send individual messages to various parents depending on your need for communication. Here are the students. If there is an egg, that means that the parent has not logged on. If there's a monster, then that means the parent has logged on, and you can see through the options that you can edit your class, you can view reports, you can connect with students, you can add a code teacher, which I find very useful. You can reset your bubbles or display your settings. You can add a code teacher like the teacher assistant or an administrator. It is very helpful to add a code teacher. They are also able to control your points or your attendance. In your account settings, you're able to refer a teacher or change schools or log out. And if you look at messages, once again, you are able to message everyone. You can do ClassStory and put posts. I call it the Classroom Facebook. It allows for parents to see daily updates. And I use messages more for parent conferences or to let parents know that their child may need a reminder of turning in their work or a project that is due for an individual child. So these are the two major components of ClassDojo that I use. I find it extremely useful to communicate with all stakeholders. And I do send the invitation via text so that parents are able to connect via their phones. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was a useful video. Have a great day.